Hello again, boys and girls. You see, today it's more an experiment than a fixing. And here I have two LED bulbs. I was really curious to see what's inside there, if it's fixable. One of the bulbs was flashing for a few seconds and then turned off. The other one was intermittently working. I could hear some, bad contact or sparking noises inside. So I decided to open it up and see what's in there. I was really curious. Okay, so this is the first one, and that's that worm light, 5.3 watts from Aura Light. How did I open it? Yeah, it was something like this. When you look first time, you feel like it's a ceramic or something, a very close case, but with a little bit of action, you can pop it out. Unfortunately, this one, it's stuck with some gray silicone. When I took it out, I broke some parts here, but anyway, it's kind of difficult, to try to repair something like this, or at least to understand what's happening in there. Okay, so this one is gone, but I suppose the LED is still okay. Let's take a look really quick. Ammeter on diode mode. No measurements. Okay, power supply. I can't say which is plus or minus. Oh yeah, this is plus, and this is evidently minus. And of course there is an aluminum sink. That's for keeping the LED cold or certain temperature. Nothing, still nothing. Okay, let's raise the voltage. I'm at 25 and still nothing. So probably these guys, maybe the diode is, or the LED is gone. Very possible. Okay, so this is gone anyway. The other one was exactly the same story. This kind of lenses just pop up in the moment when I produce my screwdriver in there, and the electronic this time it's free, and I found the problem somehow. One of these legs, it's kind of oxidated and the contacts are down there. You see something? I think I'm gonna have two pieces of wire and connect this direct over here. We have some holes, shouldn't be a problem for a better connection. Okay, but in the meantime, as long as we are here, let me measure this guy. Diode mode, evidently this is plus, still nothing. What about some power? Still nothing. And I'm on 19 volts over there. This is interesting. Oh, okay, finally we have a little bit of flash. You saw that? That's the maximum I can get, 25 volts. Interesting. Yeah, anyway, so probably it needs like 50, 40 volts, I don't know. But let me try to fix this one. Two pieces of wire. I'll try to solder this here quickly. Oh, that shouldn't be a problem so far. Okay, this one is passing. This one shouldn't be a problem. So I'm afraid I can't have solder on this one. Doesn't stick. Oh no. And I'm ruining the plastic, but that should be fine, just like that. The contact, it's pretty okay. Okay, we are good. And this is for the other one. Let me see if I can have it something like this, a little bit of, let's call it undulation, and there will be a very good contact for sure. I think now I got it. So in fact, you see there is a little hole in here. In fact, it's not a hole, it's a kind of gap made in purpose. This one. This one is made on purpose to keep the wires well connected inside. There you go. And we are good. Now a bulb, just a little blob of solder that can stay like that. Probably I can securely. Perfect. That's fine. Now let me have this to the board like that. Fine. And this can go securely down there. Now a little bit of fresh thermal paste, and that's the positioning. We have this plastic fantastic over here. Okay, so that should be the positioning. Of course, you see, I'm one-handed. I should have all the tools and everything ready from the beginning, but that's me. Kind of chaotic sometimes. And okay, this one is crippled, but two legs are okay, at least. It's back. Shall we try it? How can we do that? Very simple. 2 pieces of wire. Don't do that at home. It's kind of dangerous. Here we have the power. Or I rather have this in before connecting the power. Like that. And stay there. And power on. There we go, people. It's working. Of course, I'll be criticized for, this is not really worth it, these guys are so cheap, like €2, €3. But this is a good quality. It's from Miria 3000K worm. It's 7 watts. Of course, I have time, and I love to do these things. And it's worth it, it's not worth it, you see. As long as you have a satisfaction reviving things, this is the most important thing. So don't criticize me for what I love to do for myself, how I'm wasting my time, in fact. Yeah, don't forget, subscribe, push the like button. My sponsors, thanks my sponsors. And of course, until the next one, wish you well, and don't forget, have fun.